Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this hidden heart loaf cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the buttermilk. So simply take your milk and add in some vinegar, give it a good whisk and then set aside until needed a little later on. Then grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl you'll want to place your dry ingredients, so that's your flour, your sugar, salt and raisin agents, and just give them all a good whisk together until they are fully combined. Once they're combined, you can then start to add in the wet, starting with whichever, but as long as you add in the buttermilk, the oil and the vanilla extract, and just mix until you have a clear cake batter. Once you've got a clear cake batter, you can start mixing. You don't want to over mix this or under mix it, you just want to get the mixing perfect. So then give the bowl a scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and grab your loaf pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour in a small layer of the cake batter, leveling it out as best as you possibly can. Then go ahead and add in the little red velvet hearts that you cut out. I will leave the recipe for this in the recipe link, which will be in the bio down below, so don't forget to check it out. But I had some left over from another cake that I made and didn't want it to go to waste, so this is where this recipe came from, but I will leave you a recipe that you will need to make it. Then pour the rest of the cake batter on top, and just then level it out as best as you can and place into your preheated oven and bake it off. So once your cake is baked and fully cooled, you can start to decorate it. So flip it upside down so the top is now the bottom. Then top it with some vanilla buttercream, which you've marbled with some pink food colouring. Once you're happy, you can then just decorate the top. However, I just spread and level it out and then just did a little zigzag on top. That's just a really basic decoration. And then scattered it over a various amount of Valentine's Day sprinkles. So I'm using these hearts, and then there's some mini hearts as well. But you can do whatever you would like. Feel free to add white chocolate or some red velvet crumbs, whatever works best for you. You can then go ahead and slice the cake up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. The choice is really up to you. I just went with what looked right by eye because a loaf cake is one of those, and as you can tell, you get the perfect little heart inside of each slice. And what's not to like? It's all perfectly themed and perfect for Valentine's Day. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and a link to my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.